dear children. Welcome to online class of English for class 10. As you know that it's very important to learn English right now when all the schools and colleges are closed. Now it's very important for all of you to learn and interact with me, and it's my opportunity and privilege to impart you teaching on English. Today we are going to throw light on a poem, The Ball Poem by John Benjamin. In this poem, a boy loses his ball and how he is very upset. He says, and the boy says that money, it doesn't matter to buy another ball, but how he has attached his memories and the feelings of his life, it's very important. Now we are going to throw light on the first stanza of the poem, The Ball Poem by John Benjamin. Here I would like to tell you all the students that only the poem contains only one stanza. What is the boy now who has lost his ball? But what is he to do? I saw it go merrily bouncing down the street, and then merrily over there it is in the water. The poet is talking about the boy that while playing the ball, the boy skipped a ball from his hand and ball went into the water body nearby him. He was looking for the ball for a long time, but he could not find. The poet says that the boy lost his ball, but he took long time to find it out. But having seen this situation, the poet feels regret that in spite of several efforts, the boy could not get the ball. On the other hand, the poet thinks that he may get a new ball, another new ball, but he also thinks that I can give him some money to buy a new ball, but at the same time the poet also thinks that money is not the matter, because the boy's sweet memory and feelings it attached with the ball. So he thinks that it means the poet thinks that this is the situation, that the boy is very upset in spite of several efforts. He could not find his ball, and the boy feels regret for the ball. No use to say there are other balls. An ultimate shaking grief fixes the boy as he stands rigid, trembling, staring down all his young days into the harbor where his ball went. Here the boy say that I have spent a lot of time nearby the harbor, but my ball went into the water body. I could not find, so the boy felt regret. On the other hand, the poet says that I consoled the boy for the new ball, but I also thought that the ball is not enough, money is not enough, but the sweet memory and the feelings of the boy is attached with the ball. And I would not intrude on him a dime means cent of money. Another ball is worthless. Now he senses first responsibility. So the poet thinks that this is the time for the boy to learn new responsibility, new experience for his life. On the other hand, in a world of possessions, people will take the balls will be lost. Anyways, the little boy and no one buys a ball back. Money is the external. He is learning well behind his desperate eyes. The epistemology means the study of nature of knowledge, of loss, how to stand up, knowing what every man must one day know and must most know many days how to stand up. Here the poet says that one day we will also in search of our loved ones, and we cannot find like the lost ball. So, dear children, from this poem, the ball poem, you have learned many things, and today I would like to assign you some homework for you to be done at home. And here, thinking about the poem from 1 to 6 number are there, and you have to do at home, and submit your answer in the WhatsApp on a sheet of paper so that I can make some necessary correction. With this, I would like to conclude my session today. Thanking you all.